I want to take a quick mention of weight and gravity here. We'll talk about them in greater detail in a couple of units from now, but because now that we've talked about Newton's second law, we can look at weight and what it specifically is. So weight, an object in free fall is only affected by the Earth's gravitational pull. In other words, the only force acting is gravitational force. So the only thing pulling on the object has a gravitational force of Earth. And these are actually a little bit out of order. Oh no, they are. All objects in free fall have the same acceleration. And that acceleration is known as g. And g is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared, or 10. We did this in the last unit, but what we can think about here is because the only force acting on it is gravitational force, we can use Newton's second law to show that the net force is equal to Fg is equal to ma, which means that Fg is also equal to mg, because the acceleration we know is g, and the only force is gravitational force, and when objects are in free fall, they all accelerate at the same rate. Oops. And so this magnitude Fg, or if you multiply out mg, is known as the object's weight. So the weight of an object is the magnitude of the gravitational force. It's how strong the Earth pulls on that object. And you can calculate it by just multiplying the mass times the gravitational acceleration. And this kind of starts to distinguish how are mass and weight different. Well, mass is, as you can see, part of what we use to calculate weight. But that is what we look at when we talk about weight.